Amazfit Bip 3. So here's the watch itself. Talking about the design of the watch, it's quite lightweight. I haven't seen any watch this lightweight and comfortable to wear at the same time. The moment I held it, it felt like a great smartwatch. The strap is very soft and doesn't irritate at all. So moving on to the features, here we get a beautiful 1.69-inch display with 240 by 280 pixel resolution, and it comes with a 2.5D tempered glass, which makes it very smooth and joy to use. Also, it comes with anti-fingerprint coating. Other than that, it is bright and I have used this in direct sunlight without any kind of issues. Then we have the IP68 water rating, and it has water resistance of 5 ATM, so we can do swimming with this watch. Next is the 60 sports mode, which is a lot. So next is the 50 plus watch faces that you can choose from, and you can also just customize them. You can also add your own picture. Now let's take a moment and see how the watch works and what is located where. So just like any other watch, you can just swipe in all directions. Up top we get quick actions like brightness control, do not disturb mode, alarms and settings. If we swipe down, it will give us notification. On the right we have widgets. To access the menu, click this button on the side. It will show you this list menu. You get all the data at glance on the home page, and we can see the details by tapping any item. On battery side, we get 280 mAh battery, which takes about 2 hours to charge full, and after that you can expect about 7 to 14 days of battery backup, which is actually very good battery life. The UI, display, features and everything feels best.